Have you heard of a LEED certification? If so, is your building or project working toward completing their LEED certification? Well, today, you can learn how renewable energy like solar energy can help boost points to your score. Hello all you sun seekers, I'm Kacie, and welcome to Going Solar with Pivot Energy. Before we get started on LEED certifications, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell to get notifications when we post our weekly videos on community solar, subscriber savings, commercial solar, financing, tax benefits, and more. So real quick, what is LEED certification anyway? LEED, or Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, is a certification program developed by the United States Green Building Council, the USGBC. It rates the environmental performance of buildings based on overall characteristics of a project. A simpler way to put it is a way for buildings or projects to earn the sustainable stamp of approval and to foster a better built environment. Kind of like Michelin stars for top restaurants of the world, LEED buildings are the most sustainable. To earn LEED certification, a project must demonstrate compliance with all mandatory prerequisites and select a number of optional credits to pursue. These credits are what earn them points. And then they are awarded certification level based on how many points they've earned. The levels of certification are certified, silver, gold, and platinum. There are 5 different LEED rating systems to categorize your project. These systems include water efficiency, materials and resources, energy and atmosphere, indoor environmental quality, and sustainable sites. And for each of these systems, the credits and prerequisites are different. The one system we'll be focusing on today is energy and atmosphere. Because, spoiler alert, solar energy is a clean and renewable energy source that's great for our atmosphere. Okay, so you recall that LEED functions on earned points, and there are a few on-site renewable technologies that can earn you valuable LEED points, including solar thermal systems, solar photovoltaic panels, tidal wave systems, biogas or biomass systems, geothermal systems, and wind turbines. The number of LEED points awarded are determined by the percentage of that facility's energy costs that are offset by on-site renewable energy. The more you offset, the more points you get. Take a look at the table to see an example of how these LEED points are broken down. Solar projects can provide a major contribution toward LEED certification. In the LEED category, energy and atmosphere, specifically EA Credit 2, the on-site renewable energy credit can provide as many as 7 LEED points. That can represent over 17% of the points required for LEED certification, depending on which level that you're seeking. The adoption of solar photovoltaic arrays has grown over the years from the basic residential applications to the more complex commercial applications, which is what we do here at Pivot Energy. You'll find solar panels on different types of buildings, including office buildings, industrial complexes, government agencies, institutions of learning, parking lots, and more. We even put it near Mount Rushmore. If you have an idea of where you want to put your panels, reach out to us. When it comes to commercial solar, we've done it all. Anyway, back to LEED. Implementing solar energy systems goes a long way to achieving some of the goals of LEED, such as helping to efficiently reduce levels of carbon emissions, enhancing the quality of air, eliminating the dependence on non-renewable energy sources, and helping real estate developers make better building decisions. On-site commercial installations work best when a business owns their building. This is when you have a solar array on your roof or somewhere on your property that's actually powering your facility. The photovoltaic solar panels will convert the sun's energy into electricity directly for your use. This type of renewable energy not only adds points to your LEED score, but also supports a healthier planet and a brighter future. Not to mention, there are many financial benefits to going solar, but you can learn all about those in our video, Financial Benefits of Going Solar, linked in the description below. Adding a solar project to your business can help you earn your LEED certification and benefit your bottom line and the earth. Our team at Pivot Energy has a combined decades of experience in the solar industry. We'd love to use that experience to help you go solar. We're a turnkey commercial solar and community solar provider, helping you with planning, financing, building, and through maintenance. If you are interested in going solar and want to see what it would look like for you, our team can help you navigate the policies and incentives in your region. We can plan your project, give you financial guidance, and bring your dream of a solar project to reality. And if you're in the mood for some super interesting solar content, check out Commercial Solar 101, Solar Energy for Businesses, and our other videos. It's natural to have questions or want to discuss a project you have in mind. So get in touch via my email in the description. Our team of solar experts are happy to discuss the ways in which solar energy can work for your business. Don't hesitate to reach out. I hope you learned how solar can help you earn more LEED points. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up so we know that you're enjoying it. And even better, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you're notified when we post new content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.